Hi, I'm Captain Jack Lee, and...
Hi, I'm Megan Francic, and I'm here from the U.S. Consulate General in Ho Chi Minh City.
And today, Megan and I is gonna show you one delicious and easiest recipe with American lobster. Actually, this is my favorite lobster, Megan.
Oh, really?
Okay, it's iconic American seafood. So today we also wanna talk about a little bit about the special occasion, right? What's the special occasion, Megan?
Thanks. And the reason we're doing this video is to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the normalization of relations between the United States and Vietnam. Yeah, I just wanted to thank Food Export Northeast for providing the lobster today. And you can see that our lobster here, he's fresh. So he flew in from the cold, clean water of the northeastern United States, and he's fresh here today.
So let's go through the ingredients real quick. Okay, here we go, Megan.
All right.
So, the first step is we're gonna have the lobster already cut and fabricated, clean. Go do a little bit of cornstarch and then into frying.
Okay.
Okay, sous chef Megan here gonna do the phở cake. Okay, so she's gonna have a little bit of salt, right, for the flavor and the noodle.
Okay.
And then she's gonna crack an egg in there and you're gonna mix it up.
Okay.
And then add oil to the pan. Make the pancake, right? The phở pancake. So after that, we're gonna make the master sauce, right? To bring all this together, okay? What I feel it's about 4 minutes. Okay. 4 to 5 minutes.
Oh, that's really fast.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because you already cut it out, so you're frying the meat already, you know, so you don't want to do it too long because when seafood, it's always better a little under than over.
I think you said this earlier, but it's really iconic in the United States, and I'm from New York, but in the summer we used to drive up the coast of the northeastern United States to Maine, and then you feast on different types of lobster dishes. So you can make soup, lobster rolls. Obviously this is a fusion recipe.
That's right.
It's very versatile.
Stuck in the oil a bit, right?
Okay.
There you go. Look at that.
That looks awesome.
Ah, look at that. So here you go, guys. See how beautiful it is? Yeah. Nice.
That looks great.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. Yeah. Look at that. Dang. So beautiful. Wow. It smells amazing.
It does.
You have the lobster. You have the phở pancake is ready, almost ready to go. So at this moment, we're gonna put the master sauce together.
Great.
Okay? And then we're gonna infuse the ginger, the onions, and the scallion all together. It's gonna smell so good, right? Okay, we're gonna go with 2 spoons of oyster sauce.
Okay.
Right? 1 spoon of soy sauce. Mix them up. Just a little tad more. All right. You have your wine. We leave it there. A little bit of sesame oil. Then you have a tad of sugar and pepper. And we need a little of that seasoning. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so leave it aside. We're good to go. Look at that, guys. See, it's ready. You can control the sauce. Heat it up. A little oil in here. Can I have that ginger and onion, please? Thank you, chef.
Sous chef.
Sous chef. Onion in, scallion in, and ginger. Woo! Ah, you can smell. Oh, it's coming together, right?
Really
so good. Yeah. So during this time, we let them sweat a little bit, right?
Okay.
Then you're gonna add the wine in. Save 1/4 for me to do the cornstarch mix.
There we go.
Yes. How you like the lobster cook? Nice color.
It looks really good.
Yeah. You want to add anything to the lobster?
I think we're good.
Like
for
in
now.
the summer, it's like the best time to get the lobster. What, from May to August? But nowadays, you can probably get it like the year round.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, and it's available year round. And another cool fact about lobster is that Vietnam is the 7th largest importer of lobster.
That's right.
So there's actually a lot coming into the
point.
country already.
I didn't even think about that. You're right. Yeah, I thought the number 7, right?
Yep.
There you go. The largest, 7th largest importer of lobster.
And it's only gonna go up because I think Vietnamese people
might be number 6
enjoy
next year.
I
don't
hope
know. Yeah. The sauce is coming to a boil, so I'm gonna
It smells really
put
good.
the flavor in, the seasoning, everything. We're gonna stir it up. We got half of the stock in here. Why? Because we're gonna make a slurry. Slurry is when cornstarch and water mix to make the sauce thicken. There you go. Wow, it smells amazing. So then we wanna start trying. You see the color is very, it's like a, perfect.
I think it's perfect.
All right, so sauce is done. We're gonna plate right now, my friend. Yay, that's my favorite time. Now we're gonna do a little plating, right? Decoration, make it beautiful. Then we take pictures, selfie.
And then we get to eat.
Then we get to eat. Ready? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Let's do it. It's the head for decorations.
I like that.
Yeah.
It's a
So,
good
but
touch.
before we do that, we wanna have the lobster tail, the meat coming out. There you go. Right? Your tail sits next to it, so you kind of hold the head up. Have your little claws. Then you start putting the phở chu right next to it for color
I see.
purposes. You know, like that.
This is beautiful.
Like that. And then we're gonna do a little bit of herbs
Okay.
next to it, right? Sauce around. There you go.
More flowers.
Yes.
One more thing.
Yes?
Our
Yes!
flags.
Of course. How can I forget?
This is the most important part, obviously. All right.
There you go.
Oh, U.S. flag there.
Flag.
And we
And
have
then one right here.
seafood export.
There you go.
There we go.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.